Guys, Gina here, and I just wanted to pop on here. Oh, look who's awake, kind of. He's kind of waking up. So Tanner is here. He was born on May 28th. I'm trying to get my date straight. We went into labor, actually. Well, we didn't go into labor. My water broke in between couponing with my mom, so that was like a dream come true for me. So if you're a couponer, that's like really exciting. So um, as most of you know, we had an induction scheduled, but my water broke, so we were able to get checked in early. And I had a really fast and easy labor. Felt nothing. So happy about that. But everything is great. I'm healthy. Tanner's healthy. All of the gestational diabetes complications, there was nothing. So we're home. We've been home for a few days now, so we are all just getting used to each other. So I've been receiving so many comments and emails and Instagram messages and all that stuff, so I wanted to pop on here really quick and just let you guys know that we're home, we're healthy, and everything is going well. My husband and I are getting sleep. We're splitting up the work, and we're averaging about 6 hours a night each, so that is great. So definitely won't be doing any in-store videos for quite some time. Oh, there he is. There he is. There he is. But I might be throwing in some CVS hauls. We'll see. So we'll just play it by ear. So I just wanted to hop on here and thank you guys for all of your support and checking in on us and our family. We really appreciate it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, you should, because I've been blowing up my Instagram feed with all sorts of pictures. So if you want to see more of what we're doing on a daily basis and more updates with Mr. Tanner, just definitely go and check my Instagram, because there's tons of photos on my Instagram. So until the next video, I will talk to you guys later. So I just wanted to let you guys know we're all well, we're healthy, and we're doing good. So I will talk to everyone later. Bye.